Have you learned how to advocate for yourself professionally? As we continue with our fourth quarter challenge and we look toward 2026, let's talk about a critical career skill, professional self-advocacy. I'm Denise Miller, your Leadership Lady Live, and if you like the content that I normally share, I ask you to please remember to like, to subscribe, to share this link with others, and to invite others so that they can connect with you. Now, let's get back to our discussion about professional self-advocacy. Professional self-advocacy is making your work more visible. It's not about pumping up your ego, but rather of making yourself more visible and positioning yourself for the opportunities you qualify for, the opportunities that you deserve and that you may want. Many professionals believe that good work speaks for itself. They deliver results consistently, but when they're being overlooked for promotions or raises or high visibility projects, they cannot figure out why. Well, the reality is that capability and visibility are equally important in most organizations. Just because you're capable doesn't mean that you'll get what you want if you're not visible. And so here's a practical framework for effective self-advocacy. Self-advocacy without ego. The first is to document your impact. Create a running record of your accomplishments, your completed projects, the problems solved, the positive feedback that you've received, and the metrics that show improvement. Update it daily, weekly at minimum, while the details are still fresh in your mind. The second thing is to schedule regular visibility conversations. Don't wait for annual reviews. Set up monthly or quarterly check-ins with your manager specifically to discuss your contributions and your career goals, as well as to find out from them if they're pleased with what's happening with you. The third is to frame your advocacy conversations around value. Don't talk about what you deserve when you meet. Instead, give measurable impact. Say, here's the impact I've had, here's the impact I've delivered, give the metrics, and when possible, describe how you might contribute even more strategically going forward. This distinction is crucial. Remember that self-advocacy is not bragging. It's providing your leadership with the information that they need to support your growth professionally. They cannot appropriately champion you if they don't have a clear picture of what you're doing, what you're accomplishing, how you're progressing. So it's important. Think of it as a partnership. You're helping your manager understand your contributions so that they can advocate you effectively in rooms where you're not even present. Here are some action steps to start taking now so that you can carry them smoothly into 2026. The first is create a wins folder or journal or notebook. Commit it today to updating it at least weekly, if not more often. Schedule your first career conversation for your manager to take place in January. Schedule it now. Don't wait. Practice articulating your value in specific metrics driven language. Remember, you're going to need to practice so that it comes smoothly to you. Make 2026 the year that your contributions get the visibility that they deserve by starting to practice doing it now. Practice intentionally, practice consistently, and it will no longer feel uncomfortable. You'll become used to doing it. Remember to like and subscribe if you like the content that I share. And also remember to join this fourth quarter challenge. We still have 5 weeks to go after this week. Connect with me through my website or on email so that you can learn more about other opportunities to grow during this last quarter of 2025 so that you will be ready to hit the ground running in 2026. Thanks so much for joining me today. Have a great balance of the day.